In this video, I will explain you how to draw this particular pattern using a Java language. So I am using a Java language. I have created one class pattern program, and in this class we have one main method. So inside this main method, I have written the code to print this particular star pattern. Okay, so I have taken integer row is equal to 7 because if you see there are total 7 rows, then integer star is equal to 4 because on the first row we have 4 stars, and space is equal to 0 because on the first row we have 0 space, then on the second row we have 1 space, then on the third row we have 2 spaces, and on the fourth row we have 3 spaces. So space count will increase from first row to the fourth row, and star count will reduce by 1 from 4 to 1. So that's how we are doing in the if else condition. But let's understand what is this for loop. Okay, so for loop. Inside this for loop, integer I is equal to 1, I less than equal to row, so row count is 7, so that's why we have taken 7 I plus plus. Then inside this for loop we have a code. So we have written code for to print the star. Okay, why we have taken the for loop for to print star first and space second? Because if you see, we are printing firstly stars and then spaces. That's why the for loop for to print the stars, it's on the first position, and the for loop to print the space on the second position. Okay, so inside this for loop, j is j equal to 0, j less than star, j plus plus. So initially star is 4, so this will loop will execute for the 4 times and it will print 4 stars. Then this loop will execute this for loop, k is equal to 0, k less than space, k plus plus. So initially space is 0, so that's why it will not print anything. And then it will go to the next code, that is system.out.println. So this will basically change the row after the first execution. It will change the row, and then inside this row, inside this if else condition, what we are doing is, we know that till the row is 4, we are reducing stars by 1 and increasing space by 1. So here I have written code, if I is less than equal to 3, star minus minus means star value will reduce by 1, and space plus plus, which will print space 2 times or 3 times. It will increase space value from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. And then after fourth row we want star to increase by 1, that's why star plus plus, and then space minus minus, which will reduce the space after row 4. Okay, so this is how it will work. And for the second iteration, the I value will be 2, then it will print star 3 times because we have reduced by 1, and it will print 1 space after this 3 stars. And then this will change the row, and again value of I stars will be reduced and space will be increased till the row 4, and then it will star value will increase by 1. So let's execute the code and check whether we have written the code correctly. And let's see, yeah, the code is correct. We are printing the exact same star pattern that we have in the code. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you.